Guys, when we tell you we do anything and everything, we don't shy away from anything. Check it out. 1.3 liter 1998 Geo Metro. 1.3 liter. It's only got 91,000 miles on this car. Awesome. Look at it. Came out really nice. Anyways, he does a lot of the work himself, which I'm impressed with. He put in his own converter, as you guys can see right there. Check it out. Got a manifold converter and a secondary. All right. 1.5 inch pipe into the stock resonator there. And then 1.5 continues. And we took the stock muffler off and put a Vibrant Ultra Quiet right there, 2.25. The part number is 1141. There'll be a link in the description right there. It's stuffed in there, but we got it to fit so we can get him a little bit more sound. He went just a little bit, not a lot. And then we finished it off with a black tip, as you guys can see right there. There it is. Came out really nice. Fits the black all the way around. And then I don't know where the muffler is. They threw it away already. Anyways, it's okay. But that's what it looks like. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Oh, that's a nice little tone to it. I like it. You like it? Or you want louder? We can make it louder. But I think it's perfect. Again? Geo Metro. Here's sound decibels. Right at 90. Again? You like it or no? Try it for a week. We're here. So if you want it louder, we can always take that resonator off. Or replace it with that other one. The other Vibrant I showed you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we can replace it with that one too. Again? All right, go ahead and back it out. Guys, let us know in the comments. Should he replace the mid too? Or just do this? Or straight pipe it in the middle? I personally like it. I think it fits this car nicely. But if he wants it louder, we can always make it louder. So you probably need motor mounts. Geo Metro 1.3 liter. 40 miles to the gallon. Or maybe 50. How many miles a gallon you get on this thing?
It's automatic, so it's not going to do as good as a stick.
Yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. Guys, this thing has only got 90,000 miles on it. Look at this thing, it's clean. For how old it is, everything's still intact. I don't think anybody ever sat in the back seat either. Look at that, it's cool. Such a cool looking car. Look at that, it's got a cold air intake. I love it. It's a cool 1.3 liter. You don't need much. Bro, we gotta get the Metro. We don't have a Metro on our channel. 1.3 liter. Of raw horsepower. That sucker goes, look at that. Heck yeah. I love it. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys.